A lot of people underestimate, like, younger people. There's sixth graders that are doing what a 30-year-old can't do, you know?
Starting your day. This is the second camp, and it's actually progressive now. So we started with 1 week last year, which was chaotic and fun, to now expanding that to 4 weeks with the kids. Seeing what that looks like when we can build progressive curriculum, but also build in that time to just say, let's go look at the scrap bin and figure out what we want to build today. And it can be their idea and not necessarily a very rigid curriculum.
I was kind of shocked because I was like, wait, welding could be used for art? I always thought it was just like construction purposes and stuff. This is like the first time I'm actually like welding and stuff. I was super duper nervous.
Every time they looked at my work, what I really liked was like everyone was like, oh, that's really good, that's like amazing. I can't, I'm loud. That's what motivated me to just keep doing with the welding.
When you enjoy it, it's easier to do it, and when you have a passion for it. So I do see a future with welding.
The level of collaboration between the kids that didn't know each other before they came here, which is an awesome side benefit, is just making new friends, but then also saying, let's build something together.
Watching the project just come together, and just like every time we've added a piece and it starts to look exactly how I've imagined, it's really nice.
I'm proud of everybody, including myself.
Got a great news report. This just in, the welding class has just ended.